Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to take good selfies with Android phone. Taking good selfies with your Android phone is easier than you think with the right lighting, angles, and simple camera settings. You can instantly improve your photos. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how clear and flattering your selfies look. In this guide, you'll learn simple tips to capture better selfies every time, anywhere. First is to clean your front camera lens with a soft cloth. Find good natural lighting, face a window if possible. Avoid strong light directly behind you. Open your camera app. Switch to the front camera. Turn on HDR if available. Use portrait mode for a blurred background effect. Hold your phone slightly above eye level for a flattering angle. Tilt your face slightly instead of facing the camera straight on. Keep your chin slightly down to define your jawline. Relax your expression and smile naturally. Tap your face on the screen to focus and adjust brightness. Use the timer to avoid shaking the phone. Once you got a perfect shot, tap Edit, then edit lightly using the built-in tools in this section using the brightness, contrast, and sharpness. Tip: soft natural light, slight angle, clean background, instant selfie upgrade.
And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.